Now, there's no denying that some of the most recent cryptocurrency updates, well, they're pretty bleak. I mean, they're talking about trading volume down massively over the last year. They're talking about industry layoffs, including Genesis laying off massive amounts of its workforce. Talking about the fact that tradable Bitcoin is flowing out of the exchanges into self-custody wallets at lows that we have not seen in years. Now, we're going to be going over some statistics in this video that are plaguing and addressing the entire cryptocurrency market in general. And then, of course, if you guys would like to, you can apply those to some specific cryptocurrencies and why we may not be seeing some massive bull market runs until things absolutely turn around. So if you're interested in the cryptocurrency space and it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade gets you $5 in free crypto. You guys want crypto exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff. You get KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. Just be careful. Not anything is guaranteed in the cryptocurrency space. Nothing's guaranteed in life, right? But especially in the cryptocurrency space right now, could be a great place to buy and a good place to sell, but it might not be a good place to hold your cryptocurrency. Now, in this video, we're going to be going over a couple specific, topics when it comes to the latest cryptocurrency updates. And the first of which is the fact that trading volume is massively lower now than it was just a year ago. Lower trading volume is a very big hit to the industry. We're going to be talking about how low the tradable Bitcoin or the liquid Bitcoin is on exchanges, because it could be indicating that we are at or near a bottom. I want to talk about the wave or the cycle of institutional and retail investors and what it could mean for a potential bull market return. And finally, I know there's a lot, we're going to be talking about Genesis layoffs in effect, that it could be a very strong indicator that if you are watching or if you are invested on the Gemini app, you better watch out for that. So guys, jumping into this article here, great article with a ton of information. We're not going to be reading through this entire article because, well, it is a very long one. But it says trading volume in 2022 on centralized exchanges such as Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, and so on plunged more than 46%. This is according to data compiled by Crypto Compare. Now, 46% trading volume decline. We know that this means that these exchanges are making massively less amounts of revenue. And of course, the less revenue they make, the less sustainable their business model. That has resulted in places like Coinbase and Kraken cutting their workforce drastically. Now, the next one, I'm just going to jump right into it now since we know that this volume is extremely low and it's leading to layoffs in the cryptocurrency space. The next thing that we need to be aware of is Genesis. Genesis is currently laying off 30% of its workforce due to less volume, less circulation, therefore less revenue in the cryptocurrency space. 30% of the workforce is going to be laid off until things get better. Now, why is this important? Gemini is owed $900 million by Genesis. Genesis is considering bankruptcy. Genesis is laying off 30% of its workforce. Genesis is in some very, very hot water right now. If Genesis is unable to repay that $900 million, it is going to be very interesting to see what happens with customers' assets on the Gemini platform. So please be careful if you guys are holding your Bitcoin or any other crypto for that matter on Gemini. We know that they have a very strong relationship with Genesis. We know that Genesis is in trouble, and therefore Gemini could be in trouble. So definitely something to consider if you're looking at that. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is the fact that liquidity in Bitcoin, meaning the Bitcoin that is held on exchange and therefore tradable. It says, meanwhile, liquid tradable Bitcoin, proxy tracked by Arcane Research, has slid to June 2020 lows. Now, this is a very interesting comparison because June 2020, if you guys think about it, I don't even know what words you're allowed to say on YouTube right now, but you guys know what was going on in June of 2020. People did not have jobs. People were stuck in their houses. People were, well, out of luck, I guess. Let's just put it that way so that we don't, let's put it that way so we don't run into any monetization issues or anything going on with YouTube not letting you say things. Nonetheless, extremely dark times in June of 2020, and we are now reaching those lows on liquid tradable Bitcoin. This could be a good sign. This could be a bad sign. If things continue to go down, it is going to be very, very dark here pretty soon for the crypto winter that we are currently in. We know that we had bottoms in June of 2020. If we are reaching a bottom in the cryptocurrency space right now because of those levels being hit, and those levels holding up as support in one of the darkest times ever, this could be a great sign for a potential rebound. Now, the potential rebound, I want to talk on that a little bit because this article does a very good job of talking about the wave of retail investors and the wave of institutional investors that drive bull and bear market cycles. So without going into too much detail here, it says that generally, institutional investors account for the bulk of trading, and they have different risk profile. Retail tends to come in a massive size later in the cycle, near the top. And we have seen this time and time again, right? If you look in 2017, retail frenzy happened at the end of 2017. Of course, the sell-off happened in 2018. If you look at what took place in 2021, we had massive retail investments coming in at the frenzy of 2021. We are not there yet. It says brave and high conviction retail investors are entering the market right now, but we are a ways off from seeing a wave. The cycle takes place. Institutional investors begin to drive the prices up. They're the big money. They're the ones that have the trades. They're the ones that move the market prices in both stocks and crypto. When retail investors see those prices moving up, they get confident and they start to come in. When the retail investors begin coming in, things get exciting. Friends are telling friends and friends are telling friends to jump into the cryptocurrency space. And that sort of emotion and excitement creates FOMO buying. That drives the price even higher. The institutional investors, begin to pull the rug on the retail investors, and down goes the price again. So right now, we don't have institutional investment. We've got a few high-risk cryptocurrency retail investors that are willing to buy during this cryptocurrency bull or bear market, But what we're looking for is institutional money to return. When institutional money begins flowing back into the cryptocurrency space, that could indicate that the bottom is in. When institutional money flows in, then the retail money flows in. When the retail money seems to peak, that could indicate that we are at an all-time high again, or we are at the high of the next cryptocurrency market bull or a cryptocurrency bull market cycle. Could be a very good time to sell, guys. We are in here to make money, and that we will do. I want to know what you guys are doing down in the comments below. Are you still convicted? Are you still buying cryptocurrency? Or are you kind of sitting on the sidelines right now waiting for this entire thing to play out? Let us know down there in the comments. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got Claybro883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull. You got KuCoin and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.